We got guys out there sleeping in.
Get your heat at the road yourself, you are. Hello, Isaac. Moving left, movement left. Heading out of the complex.
Okay, we have infinite lives, I might as well just try and game.
Right guys, chill! Come out! Respawn! You've got 5 minutes to finish this!
Right hand, left hand side. Looking down. Johnny boy, you've got one of these journalist cams.
I can't work it with him, man.
Think like a yank. Okay, then we're going to use aircraft. Bomb the ship. Destroy it, we don't need it. Fuck it, full loaded.
Long way left.
Somebody behind there. Oh, no, the dead guy behind that. Cover and fire and I'll get you over there.
Whoa, okay. That's where I got shot from last time. Right inside the trail. Right. But they're not visible down it, they're only covering across.
Cylinders out of an aim and they're thicker bodied, so they're tighter. And it goes from going like